So you create this beautiful joy, then death is much easier. When the moment comes, then you feel like, oh, I'm enjoyed, I visit nice places, I think I'm dying, but it's all great, So, and then plus we have supporters by the own beliefs. Whenever you believe God or Creator, or so whenever you believe, there's nobody kind of forced. As a Buddhist, we're sub-religion. So you see ourselves, then we're going to say why there's a Buddhas and all the wrathful, peaceful deities, so and so, but they are in the manifestation on our minds. You see, there, if we recognize, then we are already become Buddha. If we don't recognize, then we are suffering.